Hi team YouTube, my name is Shahid and my channel name is Roots of Touch. Here link. My channel was not accepted for monetization YT partner program in case reuse content. Now I want to show you that I cannot upload any copyright pics, videos, clip, background music, etc. Here's my videos. I uploaded 8 videos in my channel. One video I check you. 56 TRX invest किए हुए हैं पहले. As you can see that my all videos all according to YouTube policy, I make all videos in my real voice and recording by myself. I got good reach on my channel, that why the criteria of channel is fulfilled. As you can see that I upload mobile screen recording videos on my YouTube channel. I mostly use KineMaster or InShot application for video editing. I generate scripts why my life experience of 6 years. I do not know how I can get reuse content because all videos are my real voice over and recording by with my mobile. I will get it. Is my channel again approved for monetization? Thank you so much. Your regards, owner of the Roots of Touch.